Argelith ceramic flooring products, like our name, more than withstand the test of time. We are the only tile manufacturer in the world that focuses exclusively on thick, heavy-duty, fully vitrified clinker tiles for industrial use. That's our specialty, our only product, and we've perfected it. Our leading-edge products are trusted by the finest producers in the world, spanning automotive sales and service brands such as Porsche and BMW, and the food and beverage industry. We are a privately owned and operated company that manufactures all of our tiles in our own production facilities, allowing us to preserve the highest quality standards while also ensuring color match consistency over time. Our tiles come in a broad range of surface options including R10, R11, R12, and R13 to meet our customers' unique slip resistance applications. Most of our size formats are available in a 5/8 to 3/4 of an inch thickness for greater durability. Our US-based warehouses allow us to provide fast and reliable delivery of Argelith products to meet the needs of your projects, repairs, and ongoing maintenance, all with reduced lead times. Through our strategic stock availability, we can often pre-position products specifically for your project so they're readily available on demand, thereby eliminating any concerns about delays. Having maintained offices in the US for nearly 20 years, our customer service team is ready to provide personalized, on-the-ground support. We are also available to collaborate closely with your chosen contractor, architect, and installer to help ensure a smooth design and installation process, all backed by more than a century of experience. Contact Argelith today to learn more about why we have stood as the leaders in industrial tile flooring for more than 150 years.